Often the outlets that are found in public spaces like airports and cafes might seem convenient, but they're often unsecured and tampered with outlets, which they can expose your devices to things like power surges and could potentially cause damage to your hardware. But more importantly, some of these devices we have seen in the past are have malicious software or malicious devices that are rigged to steal your data when you plug them in. In order for you to stay safe, it is best that you have your own plug-in, your own power charger, whether it's a wall charger or a trusted some other trusted power outlet, to prevent any risk of malicious actors getting your data.